Then it's your update. Supposedly Clement Gombo, kasama niya, trust is learned but loyalty is built through results. Appreciate my long-term client who keep come back to close the next deal. Thank you, Allen Richards. Business-minded si Allen. At spotted din si Allen sa BYD and event. Kasama si Will at sincere Nico, US ambassador yan ng BYD si Allen. Din yan sa Ayala, Manila Bay. Manila Bay yun, Gwapo ni Alden, Yung swerte pa nga ni nanay, na-meet niya. Yan si Alden. Saka si Mayor Allen Arcilas, During Sikhayan Festival, yung pa nga yung group picture nila. Ito naman during ang grand opening ng McDo ni Alden, kung saan pinagkaguluhan si Alden. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Switch for new action. Like, stay tuned for more videos. See ya.